Hello everyone. Welcome to another Anything Goes Saturday. This is where Vicki and I share ideas of using any of the items we have in our stash. I decided to use I recently got the Christmas Wishes kit from Uniquely Creative, and I decided to use that. Now, I was going to change the size, but I measured the card, and the card base is actually about 5 7/8 by 4 1/8, which will work in our mailing system because the envelope is 6 3/8 by 4 5/8, and it has to be less than 5 by 7. So I'm going to give this a try and see what happens. So I'm using one of their card bases. In the kit they have paper cuts, and these are die cuts that they've already cut out. So I've chosen to use the little nutcracker, a bow, an ornament, and a poinsettia. They also give you sheets of images that you can cut apart. So I cut apart Season's Greetings, this little bauble, these flowers, and this ornament. I have found that Rococo Rose is a very good color match. So I'm going to use that there. I cut my papers. I was going to follow their image that they have. They have it on white, but I'm going to put mine on Rococo Rose. I don't know if I'm going to like it or not. We'll find out. So I have my layers here, and then I have some of the Love from Lizzie's strips that I'm going to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down this strip. Okay, and it's going to go over here on the side. Now, you make sure you go over to Vicki's channel after you watch my video to see what she did. And then I've got this piece. All right. And this is going to go here. And there is a space in the middle, but that's okay because I'm going to hide it. All right. I'm trying to get it as even as possible. This piece is going to go on top and hide that. So I'm just going to put it on there, and then I'll trim it because it's going to be the full length. So I'm hiding that opening. And I'm coming down like so. And then I'm going to take my scissors and trim my end on the bottom. And this is where I'm going to use those Love for Lizzie peel-offs. And I'm going to start with this one. Actually, I can do this. The beauty of this is if you have these pieces left, I don't have to go all the way down the side because most of it's going to be hidden. See, when I put this guy on, he's hiding that. All right, and then I can use this piece down here at the bottom. And I think that one will be hidden. I'll see. I will make certain it's hidden because, yes, it is, because it goes down like that. All right, the next thing I need to do is I need to get a piece down the two sides. So I'm going to take another one of the pieces, and I'm going to come up here. This one's a little bit longer. So what I'm going to do is this, and I'm going to cut it longer than I need it. Because what I'm going to do is wrap it to the back And then I'm going to take this piece, and I've got to go down a little bit further here. I'm looking at the layout. All right. And then I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to put this back on my sheet, and I can use it for another card. And then this piece, both of those get folded to the back. And then this is ready to go onto my card base. So I'm going to take this and run it across to hold those pieces in place. And I should have left that one. I'm going to go real close to the edge there. If it hangs over, I can fix it. And it doesn't, but I wanted to make sure I caught that, which I didn't. Let me try it again. I know that one went over it. And I just fold it back on itself. All right, so let's get this on my card. Now, the one thing, I tried to even this up, but this was dirty here. I don't know if my eraser, let's see. Oh, it worked. Good. I tried wiping it off, but it didn't. But the eraser worked. So I am so glad I tried that, because the front side looks a little bit better. I did try to refold and burnish it. Okay. Oh, very nice. All right, now this piece goes on next, and it goes down here like so. And I'm going to take and I'm going to put this on with glue. Since I fussy cut it, it's not exactly laying flat. So this way I can get it to lay flat. All right. So, oops. Right like so. So there's that piece. The next piece that goes on is my poinsettia, but I don't want to put that on just yet. I want to try and lay this out. This one goes here. Oh, this one I can put on. It goes there. I'll put my bow on. Okay. I am loving the papers from Uniquely Creative, and the other one that I love is Minte. Both of those are in Australia and just gorgeous papers. All right, now this goes underneath here. I can overlap it some. And then I'm going to put this piece here like so. And then he's on top. I'm going to put this one flat because I fussy cut it. And I'm going to pop him up, or the poinsettia up and him up. So. And then I have to do my sentiment. Oh, geez. I didn't put these down first. Hang on. Get this one on, and I'm going to leave that one there because that tells me about where to put this one. All right, and then this one, and then I can do that other flower. Like I said, I did modify this. They had a piece that was fussy cut, and I think it was fussy cut from the DSP. It's not DSP, we call it DSP. Which way do I want it to go? I think I want it that way. All right, and I'm going to put that there, like so. All right, now I need my poinsettia and this guy, and I got to put this together. Let me put this on, and then I can put it on with dimensionals. I can put all my dimensionals on at once. All right. So So I love it when I find things from other companies that I can use my retired papers for. Rococo Rose has been gone for a while. So I'm going to be pulling that to use with this combination or this kit. And then I'll take and I gotta find, there's a beige. I'm thinking that might be vanilla, but I'll have to look and see. Oops, that came off. All right, now I'll put that there. Oh, don't come with me. Stay down. All right, let me take, oh, forgot this one. I think I can get away with just 2 pieces there. All right. There. Now, time for all my backs. So I'm going to pop them all off. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is my flower, and I'm going to add it there. This guy is next, and he's right about there. I probably shouldn't have put dimensionals on top of him because of the thing. Too late, too late, too late, too late. And this goes here. And I'm going to pop it underneath slightly, like so. And there's a very pretty card for Christmas. And I went looking through my stash, and I found Merriest Moments had this poinsettia and the centers. So I used it to stamp the inside and the envelope. And I ended up having to use Blushing Bride because my Rococo Rose ink pad I gave or sold. I can't find it. So there's today's idea. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you go over and check out Vicky's project to see what she did. Have a super Saturday. Bye.